Hi everyone, I received this mattress vacuum as a gift. Let's open the box, show what it looks like, and then show it in action. You get a mattress vacuum. Everything's very well packaged for shipping. You get a user manual, an extra filter, and a Central Ocean. Let's disassemble it, see what it looks like inside. So this has already one filter installed. Let's turn it on, show you what it does. You get a real long cord. It's going to be enough to pretty much take it anywhere. So you get an indicator of mattress cleaning. Blue means it's clean. Red means it's still sucking up dust. It's also a heating up mattress. There's a hot air blown underneath. You can also change the suction mode from 70% to 100%. Here's what the bottom of it looks like. You get this brush on here that spins around and picks up all the dust from the mattress. Then it gets sucked in the inside and the hot air comes out the back. I really like that indicator. Switches from blue to red, so you know exactly where you have to go over again. Let's open it and see how much dust it picked up. It's a lot of dust. Be very careful so it doesn't fly everywhere. This will pick up any dust mites from the carpet, and it's also blowing hot air. And you can also use this to clean like your couches. And this will pretty much get all the small dust out of your mattress. If you're looking for a mattress cleaner to get little tiny things out, definitely recommend this.